Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. With Gamma, you can transform any idea, draft, or document into a beautifully designed website in minutes with AI. Today, we'll show you exactly how to turn plain text into a fully functional website step by step. Let's dive in. Getting started. From your Gamma dashboard, click Create with AI. There are 3 main ways of bringing your ideas to life with Gamma: generating with AI, pasting in text, and importing a file or URL. In this video, we'll focus on the paste in text option to convert plain text like notes and content drafts into a full website. Copy any content you have for your website and paste it into the editor. Choose if you would like to expand your content, condense it, or preserve it as it is. Select Web Page as the format and click on Continue to access the prompt editor. Drafting your website. Once your content is imported, Gamma generates an outline for your website. Here, in the prompt editor, you can choose Freeform to let AI distribute the content across your web page automatically, or Card by Card to assign specific text to each section. Additionally, add, remove, or rearrange cards. Define your audience, tone, and language. Enhance your document with visuals by uploading your own images, sourcing them from the web, or generating illustrations using AI. Once your structure looks good, click Continue. Selecting a theme. With Gamma, you don't need to worry about design. Make your websites look stellar with just one click by choosing from a wide range of professionally designed themes. If you want to apply your own brand to your document, you can create and apply a custom theme using your colors, fonts, and logo. Watch our dedicated tutorial to learn how. Once you've picked your look, click Generate and watch your site come to life instantly. Editing your website. Adding more elements. Gamma takes care of the heavy lifting, but you're always in control. You can keep customizing your website by adding more components, like text layouts, images, videos, buttons, and interactive elements. Adding more pages. If you want to expand your site, click the current page title and use the plus button to add a new page. You can use AI again to generate the next page. Or start from scratch with a blank canvas. This way, you can build a full site with multiple sections, pages, and topics, all in one place. Customizing your toolbar. Make navigation easy and on-brand for your visitors by customizing the toolbar. You can include your logo, add tabs linked to your pages or sections, insert a clear call to action like Book Now or Contact Us. Editing with AI. If you want to make edits almost as fast as you think, use Gamma's AI to rewrite, reformat, or refine your content and visuals instantly. Just describe what you want, and Gamma does the rest. To learn more about AI editing, check out our dedicated tutorial. Publishing. When you're ready to go live, click Publish. You'll get a unique Gamma URL that you can share immediately to share your website with the world. You can also connect your own domain or purchase one directly from Gamma with no technical setup required. And that's it. You've just turned plain text into a stunning website using AI. Start for free at gamma.app because building a website shouldn't be rocket science. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and get your ideas online in minutes.